The Birds book is an artist book I completed in 2008. It is built on the notion that a nest can be read. It has 5-inch by 3.5-inch wooden covers with real birch bark laminate. Cover has a small mica window containing a bird's egg made of clay. The 18 pages are bound in the Coptic style. The flyleaf is a peach-colored handmade Japanese paper. The title page is my drawing recreated with a polymer plate, then hand-painted with watercolor. The poem is letterpress printed in Optima. The birch trees are cut from a black coverweight paper overlaying a page of peach paper. When turned, the reflections and shadows are cast on the paper. The grass is printed from a rubber stamp I made, the nest from gelatin prints. The morning glories are hand-painted watercolor. An actual piece of purple yarn is used here. The nest. The visual poem iterates the contents of a nest by weaving strings of typographic material over 10 layers of vellum, the hair of the dog, the fur from a winter hare, a piece of cellophane a cavalier hiker has lent, purple yarn, morning glory vine, mother's down, kite string, silkweed silk, milkweed silk, snakeskin, straw. This page of samples of bird egg colorings mimics a field guide to egg identification. These pages celebrate the miracle of creation through the transformation of a simple egg yolk which develops into a complex creature. There are 5 books in this edition.